Are you searching for a job in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, or Bahrain? But every day you see hundreds of social media posts saying urgent visa available, 100% job guarantee, or pay now and fly next month? Be careful. Many people lose money because they think a visa agent can secure a Gulf job for them. But in most legal Gulf work visa cases, the process starts with a real employer, not with a random agent, WhatsApp message, or social media page. In this video, I will show you trusted job websites and official company career pages where you can apply directly. I will also explain the exact words to search, how to know if a job is truly open to overseas applicants, and the biggest warning signs that can save you from a scam. And please watch until the end, because I will share the simple rule that can protect you from fake job offers. If someone asks you to pay money before you receive a verified job contract, stop and verify everything first. This video is not a job guarantee. No website, company, YouTuber, or agent can guarantee you a visa. But these are safer and more professional places to begin your job.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is very important: how to find real visa sponsorship jobs in the Middle East. Many people from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, the Philippines, Africa, and other countries want to work in Gulf countries. They search for jobs in hotels, airports, construction, driving, security, retail, restaurants, customer service, IT, engineering, healthcare, administration, and many other fields. But there is one important truth. You do not normally apply for a visa sponsorship job as if it is a separate visa product. First, you apply for a real job. If the employer selects you and the job is eligible for overseas hiring, the employer usually begins the work permit or employment visa process. For example, Saudi Arabia generally requires foreign workers to have an employment visa and an iqama, or residence permit, connected to their employment. Qatar's standard work residence process is also employer-sponsored. So the correct order is: first, find a real job. Second, attend the interview. At number 3, get employment letter. Fourth, verify the employer and contract. Then, the employer begins the legal work permit or visa process. Do not reverse this process. Do not pay someone first and hope they will arrange a job later.
Which Middle East countries commonly hire overseas workers? The Gulf region has many international workers, but every country has different rules, labor market needs, and employer preferences. The countries people often look for are United Arab Emirates, especially Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and other Emirates; Saudi Arabia, especially for jobs in construction, healthcare, engineering, oil and gas, hospitality, logistics, administration, retail, and technical fields; Qatar, especially for work in hospitality, aviation, construction, facilities management, healthcare, education, and technical roles; Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, and sometimes Jordan or other nearby countries, depending on the job type. But it's important to know this: overseas hiring doesn't mean every job is open to foreign workers. Some positions are only for citizens. Some employers prefer people who already live there, and some jobs need a local license, knowledge of the local language, or specific experience. So when you apply, do not assume that every job will sponsor a visa. Read the full job description. Look for phrases such as open to international candidates, relocation support may be provided, work permit sponsorship available, company visa provided, overseas applicants welcome, candidates outside the UAE may apply. And remember, if the vacancy does not mention sponsorship, you can still apply if you are qualified, but ask politely during the interview or after you receive interest from the recruiter. Do not send a message saying, "Give me visa." Instead, say,
May I please confirm whether this role is open to applicants currently outside the country and whether the company supports the required work permit process for selected candidates? This sounds professional and respectful.
Now we discuss websites which are authentic and have positive feedback. Website number 1, LinkedIn Jobs. The first website is LinkedIn Jobs. LinkedIn is one of the best places to find professional jobs in the Middle East, especially for office jobs, administration, finance, IT, marketing, HR, engineering, sales, customer service, healthcare, logistics, and management roles. But LinkedIn is not only for applying, it is also useful for checking whether a company is real. Here is how to use it. Create a professional profile. Everything must be real and genuine, like your name, job experience, educational background, clear picture, skill, and contact detail, because companies can verify your details later. Then search by job title and location. For example, administrative assistant, Dubai. Hotel receptionist, Qatar. Customer service, UAE. Civil engineer, Saudi Arabia. Restaurant supervisor, Oman. Warehouse assistant, Kuwait. Tourism jobs, Bahrain. After that, use filters. Select the country or city. Select job type. Select experience level. And if possible, choose Easy Apply only when your profile is complete. You can also search these words together. Visa sponsorship UAE. Relocation, Saudi Arabia. Work permit, Qatar. Overseas candidate, Dubai. International applicants, Gulf. But do not depend only on these words. Many real employers do not write visa sponsorship in the title because work permit support may be part of their normal recruitment process. A better method is to search for your actual profession first, then read the company details carefully. Also, check the recruiter's profile. Does the recruiter work for the company? Does the company have a proper website? Are there real employees on LinkedIn? Is the company page active? These checks can help you avoid fake recruiters. Website number 2, Bait. The second website is Bait. Bait is a well-known Middle East job platform. You can find jobs in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, and other countries. It is useful for both professional jobs and many service sector jobs. You could find job opportunities in areas such as hospitality, retail, sales, customer service, administration, accounting, construction, engineering, healthcare, and logistics. On Bait, take time to create your profile carefully. Upload a simple CV in PDF format. Your CV should include your full name, phone number with the country code, email address, work experience, education, skills, and languages. Do not make your CV too long. For most applicants, 1 or 2 pages is enough. When searching, try these examples. Hotel jobs Dubai, hospitality Qatar, office assistant Saudi Arabia, retail jobs UAE, tourism jobs Oman, driver jobs Kuwait, customer service Bahrain. You can also use keywords like visa provided, company visa, or relocation. But again, do not think these words guarantee sponsorship. Always read the complete job description and confirm directly with the employer. Website number 3, Gulf Talent. The third website is Gulf Talent. Gulf Talent is especially useful for skilled and professional roles. It often includes jobs in engineering, construction, finance, IT, healthcare, management, oil and gas, consulting, real estate, and senior administration. If you have experience, qualifications, and professional skills, this website can be very useful. For example, you can search Project Coordinator UAE, HR Officer Saudi Arabia, Accountant Qatar. Electrical engineer, Oman. Business development, Dubai. Safety officer, Kuwait. When you find a vacancy, check the company name. Then open a new browser tab and search company name official website, company name careers, company name LinkedIn. If the vacancy is real, you may also find it on the company's official career page. This is an important safety habit. If a job is posted on a third-party website, but you cannot find any official company information, be extra careful. Website number 4, Naukri Gulf.
Naukri Gulf focuses on finding work in Gulf countries. It can be helpful for people looking for jobs in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, and Kuwait. You can search for jobs based on the title, country, salary range, experience level, and industry. Try using search terms like receptionist UAE, restaurant jobs Qatar, security guard Saudi Arabia, warehouse jobs Dubai, sales executive Bahrain, and hotel staff Oman. But remember, don't believe a job just because it's on a well-known site. Job platforms can help reduce risks, but you still need to check the employer, contract, email address, and hiring process carefully. Visit official company career pages, the safest direct method. Now, let's talk about one of the safest ways, applying through official company career pages. When you apply directly on an employer's official website, you lower the chance of dealing with fake agents and copycat job postings. For aviation and travel-related jobs, you can check Emirates Group Careers and Qatar Airways Career. These companies may have jobs in cabin crew, airport operations, customer service, ground handling, cargo, IT, finance, engineering, hospitality, and administration. However, each vacancy has its own requirements. International applicants require for some jobs, and some require who already in specific country. For Saudi Arabia, you can check Saudi Aramco Careers. Saudi Aramco lists opportunities in fields such as engineering, geosciences, drilling, research and development, education, finance, law, and administration. For retail, automotive, real estate, finance, healthcare, and education, then visit Al Futain career page because it operates in different industries and various countries. When you visit an official career page, do this. Search by location, search by department, read the job description, check the application deadline if mentioned, create an official applicant profile, upload your CV, apply only through the official form. Never send your passport copy to a random person before you verify the employer. A genuine company may request documents
later in the process, but you should know exactly who is requesting them and why. Exact search words you should use. Now I will give you practical search words. You can use these on LinkedIn, Bait, Gulf Talent, Naukri Gulf, Google, and official company career pages. First, use your job title plus country. Accountant, UAE. Hotel receptionist, Qatar. Civil engineer, Saudi Arabia. Chef, Oman. Customer service, Bahrain. Tour guide, Dubai. Tourism coordinator, UAE. Then add these words one by one. Visa provided. Relocation. Overseas candidate. Work permit. Company visa. International applicants. Visa sponsorship. Candidates outside UAE. Open to expatriates. But please do not use only visa sponsorship jobs. That search can bring many fake advertisements. Use your real profession first. For example, instead of searching only visa sponsorship job Dubai, search hotel receptionist Dubai, overseas candidate, customer service UAE relocation, administrative assistant Saudi Arabia, international applicant, tourism job Qatar, work permit. This gives you more relevant results. How to know if an employer is genuine? Now, this is the most important section. A real company usually has a professional official website, a company email address, not only Gmail or Yahoo, a physical address or clear business information,
a real LinkedIn company page, a proper interview process. Employment letter mentions salary, job designation, perks, job location, and working hours. A legal work permit process after selection. A fake employer may do these things. They contact you only through WhatsApp. They offer you a job without interview. They promise a very high salary for simple work. They ask for money urgently. They ask you to pay for a guaranteed visa. They send an offer letter with spelling mistakes. They use a Gmail address instead of a company email. They tell you not to contact the company directly. They pressure you to pay today. If you receive an offer, check the company website yourself. Do not click only the link sent by the recruiter. Type the company name into Google and find the official website independently. Then contact the company through the official email or phone number listed on its website and ask, "I received a job offer in the name of your company. Could you please confirm whether this recruitment message is genuine?" This one step can protect you from losing money. Final advice: never pay for a job offer. Before I end, please remember this.
Do not pay an agent, recruiter, or unknown person for a job offer, visa approval, medical test, interview letter, or airline ticket unless you have independently verified the employer, contract, and legal process. Some employers may have official document requirements after you are selected, but payment requests should always be transparent, legal, and verifiable. Never send money to a personal bank account just because someone says your visa is ready. A real job takes time. You may need to apply many times. You may receive rejection emails. You may not receive a reply from every company. That is normal. Keep improving your CV. Apply through official websites. Use professional search words. Verify every employer. And do not believe anyone who promises a guaranteed job or guaranteed visa. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Which Gulf country are you planning to apply for? UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, or Bahrain? See you in next video. Until, be happy, apply smartly, and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.